In this video lesson I will show you how to use multiple accounts on MT4 and MT5 mobile version. Just to say, it is not possible to use multiple accounts at the same time, but you can switch between them and have only one account active at a time. So it will be very easy to switch between them just doing a few steps. Let me show you. First I will open an MT4 Android platform, and inside, in the upper left corner where the menu is, click the Manage Accounts option. When you click on that, you will get a list of all accounts you have in MT4. Here I have two accounts. One is demo, a second one is a live account. Currently I am connected to demo account, and you can see below I can connect to the live account with IC Markets, the broker I am using. If you want to switch between accounts, simply click on the second account that is listed here. If you have third or fourth account, just click on it and you will get an option to sign in. You can enter login, account ID and password. If you want to avoid entering these details each time, you can click here Save Password, the checkbox, and then click Sign In. The next time when you want to switch between accounts, you will simply need to click on the Sign In button on the bottom. Click on it and you will immediately switch between these two accounts. You can see that the first account that is listed here, it is currently active account, and below you have an option connect to this account. So when I want to connect to second, in this case it's a demo account, click on it and click Sign In. You will switch between these two accounts very quickly, a second or two, so it is pretty easy to switch between them. But if you want, you can use MetaTrader or MetaTrader 5 mobile version to add more accounts from different brokers. If you list them, you will have here them to select between them very quickly. So this is from the MT4. Now let me show you how to use the same option, multiple accounts, on MT5 Android version. In the MT5 mobile version, you can also switch between several accounts, and you can have them much more than one or two. So you can simply switch between them by clicking and signing to each of the accounts. You cannot have multiple accounts active at the same time, but you can switch between them in a few steps. First, go to the MT5 platform on your Android smartphone, and in the upper left corner click on these three lines, which is a menu. Then click on Manage Accounts, which will open a window where all the accounts are located. I have two accounts and both of them are demo account. I'm using MetaQuotes server, which is a free server for trading and practicing on the demo account. Then the first account that is listed here, it is active account, which I can check the quotes, charts and also the trades. If you want to go again to the accounts, in the upper left corner, click the menu and then Manage Accounts. Here, if you want to switch between them, simply click on the second account or the third or the fourth if you have more of them, and then you will have an option. Oh, this is not it, sorry. When you click on it, you will have an option to enter the login detail, account ID and the password. You have an option to click on this checkbox to save the password for the next time, so you do not need to enter each time password to sign in. When you are done, click the sign in button, which is below, and you will immediately switch between these two accounts, and you will have an active account here in the upper part of this window. So it's not a problem to switch between these two accounts, and it's not a problem to have multiple accounts on MT5 Android version. So this is all from this video. If you have liked it, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!